Boy, do we have a lot of mail today. 13 packages showed up today on my doorstep. Not sure what took so long. I'm excited. I know there's some bangers in here today. That's why I got this on right now in anticipation of 2 that are coming in. So super pumped. Let's see. I think they may have put them in the same package, but nevertheless, let's get right into it. Currently, the Yankees are playing in Game 3 of the World Series against the LA Dodgers. I am a huge Yankees fan. I'm not wearing any Yankee stuff right now. I'm not sure why. Sometimes I do, sometimes I don't. There's no real superstition there for me. But I just couldn't watch the rest of the game. It was, Yankees were down. I think they're down 3-0. Freddie Freeman hit his 3rd home run of the series. So I just couldn't do it, couldn't watch anymore. Hopefully something good happens and brings my hopes back up.
Psych! Freeman. Can he do it again? Freeman cracks. Can he do it again? That grand slam.
But we got a lot of hats to get into, so let's jump right into it. Another one that I've been anticipating. We've got a Boston Celtics sports specialty laser. This is definitely just going to the personal collection. I just made a sports specialty laser collection update. I've got a lot of hats covering them right now, but behind me there's 40 of these hats, or this style of hat, not this Boston one. But I'll tag it right here. If you want to see this video or watch it right after, I'll also have it tagged at the end. But great video. I've been thinning out I'm going to start thinning out the collection, but I'm just holding on to the ones that I care about, like this. So super stoked to have this one. I'm actually very frightened to open this. I have no idea what it is. You've heard of a pancake before, hats that are squished as flat as a pancake. But this is another level of pancake. It doesn't even seem like it's a hat.
What?
I have no idea what this is. I'm glad it's not a hat. I wish it was a hat, but I'm glad it wasn't a squished hat. Let's see what this is. Paper Pumpkin by Stampin' Up. Oh, it looks like a stamp set, I guess. Anyways, I did not order that, so I'm going to be sending a message to somebody on eBay. We'll have to figure that out. That was quite a surprise. Of course, I say I'm thinning out the laser collection, but they just keep coming. We got an NBC Sports Specialty Laser, beautiful condition. I actually traded one from the last hat drop for this one. I love this one. One of the specialty ones. It's not a normal sports team, but it's just something else. It's just unique and just different than a lot of other rare hats, which makes it even more rare. So just a cool one here. Keeping it going here, we've got a Baltimore Orioles. Got that massive text here. When this is shaped up, these hats look awesome. That text on the edges kind of curls over the front. Orioles logo on the side. These colors really pop. This is an awesome one. Logo 7, one of the best fitting tags in the game, in my opinion. This one's going to go to a nice home this Wednesday. Surprisingly, one of the most sought-after hats in my hat drops is this plain logo, Chicago White Sox. Genuine merchandise by New Era. This thing's beautiful. Clean on the inside, doesn't look worn at all. This one, usually when I put these in a hat drop, I'll have like multiple people asking me for them right away. So I'm not sure what it is, if there's a lot of people from Illinois or specifically Chicago, but these things go quick, so I keep getting them in when I can. Next up is a Miller Genuine Draft Rusty Wallace number 2. This one, when I came across this, I was so excited because it is almost a duplicate of one of my go-to hats. The same exact one. The brim is a little darker on the one that I have, but every time I wear this out, people ask me about it. So I'm excited to have another one. This brim is so soft, and it's just such a comfortable hat. Looks like it's been worn a little bit, but not too bad. The fit on it's awesome. We're kind of 4 for 4 right now. Let's see if we can keep it going. I'm saving the, oh my gosh, sent back to me in one of my own packages. I know I do that for every package, so I know that one's mine. But a hat that I alluded to in my last video that I traded for, another sports specialty laser. I'm never going to get rid of these. but this one is so beautiful. Hat, Washington Capitals right there. For some reason, the Capitals hats are just so rare and really, really hard to find. But this one, now I've got the pair of these two beautiful colors, that black and blue, my two favorite colors together. 3 lasers on the day, and 3 lasers that you do not see every day. I said I was going to save the big boxes for last, but I think we hit the jackpot right here. Kind of crammed into this small, 6x6 box. 2 hats right here, worth a lot more than just an everyday hat. I'm going to go one by one here, starting off with the Chevrolet Racing Splash. This is a Logo 7. I'm going to hide the other one with the Chevrolet Motorsport on the back. This one is Logo Athletic. It has some wear, so it's going to need a nice wash, but it pairs very nicely with the one that I'm wearing and the Ford Racing Splash here. So now I've got 3. I used to have a duplicate of this, but now I've got the twill version, which I've never had before. So excited for that. And then the second one that goes with it is the Double Shark Tooth Chevy Racing. Another Logo 7 right here. Also has some wear, but that brim is curved really nicely. Another Chevrolet Motorsport. Here I've got the exact replica of it. However, this one's brand new. It's got the Apollo sample tag right there, and then it's got the stamp on the inside that says sample. Way more expensive than I probably even think. So I'm holding on to that right now. And then this one also. Probably going to get some more out of the twill versions, especially since these are broken in. This has already been one of the most exciting hat drops, and we're not even done yet. Since I thought these big boxes were the Chevys, I have no idea. We're not missing. We're not missing today. Bass Pro Shop, massive fish front logo. Everyone was asking me for this the last time, sold it, but immediately turned around, got it again. The colors are awesome, that neon green and blue with the Bass Pro wraparound. Made in Taiwan, great condition. With all the styrofoam in this box, I thought it was about to be an empty box. Pretty cool one, Miller High Life, the champagne of beers. A great everyday hat, pretty good, nice neutral colors with that forest green and gray. Or that, no, it's not gray, that's like a tan. Looks like it has a nice fit to it. Second to last one here, we got Budweiser, King of the Rockies. Already great shape on this thing, nice boxy fit. I don't know if you can even say that for a hat, a boxy fit, but this one, a tag I haven't seen before. May need a little wash, but this one, just a classic. I feel like I say this every time, but a nice everyday hat, purple and red. Those Toronto Raptor colors. Not sure how to feel about that rattle, but you never know what to expect. It's crinkly paper, that's what it was. Last but not least, we've got a Brickyard 400 inaugural race, 1994, with the Busch logo on the side, head for the mountains. Usually these, I'm not crazy about the Busch or the Brickyard 400 hats, but the ones that have the Busch logo on the side and that wraparound text in the back just have a special place for me. I actually based the Premium 32 Customs off of that. I made that Premium Mountains logo on the side, and then nothing on the back, but just that Premium logo on the side and the front. We're kind of inspired by this hat right here. That does it for today. Let me know down below in the comments which one's your favorite. I love reading through the comments and responding to them and just chatting with everybody. I may say this Celtics one right here, but the Bass Pro one is really nice. And then these 2 Chevy ones were such a treat to get today. So I really can't decide, but I really want to know what you have to say or what you think about these. So make sure to check out this week's hat drop. It's going to be pretty special with these. This is for the last week of October. Currently, as I'm up here, missing out on the Yankees game because they're just absolutely blowing the World Series, but that's okay. These are definitely making me happier. So make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Let me know what you want to see more of down below. Don't forget to follow on Instagram and check out those hat drops. See ya.